Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please kindly subscribe. In this video today I'm going to show you how you can fix a reverse camera setting for your Android Edge unit. If you newly install an Android Edge unit with a reverse camera and you have a glitchy display, what usually causes this is the resolution of the reverse camera that comes with the Android Edge unit or that you are trying to connect. Like this Android Edge unit came with a reverse camera that has a 720p resolution, AHD, and if you look at it, has that AHD written on it, and the one that comes with the old radio that I already have doesn't have 780 resolution. Is just a regular SD resolution for the camera, and that's what causes the glitchy display. And to do that, all you just have to do is to go to the reverse camera setting. For most Android units, you have to go to the factory setting to see this, and once you click on the reverse system selection, you can see it has 720p already with a frame rate of 30 frame per second on it. So that's why I'm just gonna change the settings. You can see there are other resolutions for the reverse camera that that this head unit can work with. You can see you have the high definition one, so you just have to make sure you look for lower resolution. So let me try PAL first and see if that works. Nope, that didn't work, so I have to go back in there and change to a lesser resolution, and that means going to NTSC. In your Android Edge unit, it might be SD. Just choose it, and you can see that works. And like I said, the resolution of the camera and the settings of the Android Edge unit, that's what will cause that glitchy display. As long as the connection, you did the wiring right for the reverse camera, everything will work, and that is it. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again sometimes. Thank you.